Good morning. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. At Santa Clara, California. Ayan, dito po tayo sa Amerika, sa Bay Area. Attend po tayo ng graduation ng anak ko kaya bumalik tayo dito bakasyon. At ito, graduation na ng anak ko kaya ito nakapang congressman tayo. Kaya no choice dahil wala tayong susuotin. Ito lang yung natirang damit natin barong. So yan, nagre-ready na po kami at head up na po kami sa sa San Francisco sa may Oracle Arena. So doon gagawin yung graduation, tapos may another graduation pa para bukas sa department nila. Ito mga fourth year college lang at tingnan natin kung anong kaya ng anak ko. Samahan niyo po kami itong graduation niya hanggang sa reception. Yan mga ka-BSK, kita-kits po tayo doon. Yan mga ka-BSK, on the way na po kami sa San Francisco. Ayun, at stop lang kami dito sa sa gasolinahan at magpapagas kami. Ayan, dito sa Chevron. Ayan mga ka-BSK, dito na kami sa San Francisco. Dito kami sa dorm ng baby ko, ng anak ko. Dito, nagsiset up pa kami dito. Tapos diretso na sa ayan na yung aking baby, graduate. Ayan. Ayan na siya. At sinundo namin dito. Dito na kami. Ito yung dorm niya. Yan, hindi siya nagdo-dorm. Yan, area. Yan mga ka-BSK. Yan, tapos didiretso na kami doon sa Oracle Arena. Pinikap lang namin siya dito sa dorm niya. Dito kami, San Francisco. Yan, dito yung dorm. So ayan mga ka-BSK, at tuloy na kami. Ayan mga ka-BSK, nakapag-park na tayo sa parkingan. Mahirap pumarking dito. Lahat ng parking dito may bayad. So doon, nakapag-park na kami dito. Valley parking. Ayan na, at ready na kami. Ayan, maglalakad kami. Lakad papunta doon. Kasi ito lang ang parkingan. Ayan mga ka-BSK, naglalakad na kami, papunta na kami doon sa sa reception, Oracle Arena. Ayan, dito kami sa 2nd Street na. Ayan, Oracle Arena. Ayan kami. Ayan mga ka-BSK, nakapila na kami. Ayan. Nakapila na kami papasok. So may pila dito papasok sa entrance. Tapos yan mga kasama ko nag-picture taking. Dito mga ka-BSK. Now papasok na. This is it. Mga ka-BSK, ito yung maganapan dito sa pilahan. Ayan po ang pila dito. Yan ang nangyari, haba yan na po ang pila. So andito kami sa medyo gitna ng konti. Yan ang pila. So mga ka-BSK, nasa pila pa rin kami, hindi pa nag-open. Maya maya bubuksan na. So ayan, dito tayo. Ito yung area natin. Ayan mga ka-BSK, papasok na kami. Pinapasok na kami. So ayan, papasok na kami. Medyo madilim na rito. Ayan, papasok na kami ng ng Oracle. Ayan. So dito madalas maglaro yung Giants, yung baseball. Ayan. So papasok na kami. Ayan, lakas ang music mga ka-BSK. Dito na tayo sa upuan sa loob ng Oracle Arena. Ayan mga ka-BSK, dito na, this is it. Ito na, mag-uumpisa na. Andyan yung yung anak ko dyan, sa area na to.
I'm Joe Hallisey of the class of 2017, your announcer for today's ceremony. Thanks to our disability programs and resource center, we have interpreters for those who are deaf or hard of hearing, so that all of our guests can enjoy the ceremony. They are standing at home plate in front of section 112. Our ceremony is also being captioned on the large screen. We would like to remind you that assistance is available for anyone who experiences a medical or other emergency. In the event of a general emergency, please follow directions from the Oracle Park Guest Services team. Our graduates will enter the park first. Among the graduates are this year's graduating presidential scholars. Louis Gay, Brenda Rivera, Dennis Sakanovic, and Miriam Jurowski.
Ayan mga ka-BSK, tinawag na yung department nila, psychology. Ayan. Nandito kami para kay Lindsay Janelle Everio Domingo. Ayan. Ayan, meron siyang award, magna cum laude. Magna cum laude si Lindsay Janelle. Sa dami ng mga estudyante, oh. Iba talaga si Lindsay. Magna cum laude. Dito yan sa Oracle Park, San Francisco, California.
so golden, all purple for the sun.
Sabihin mo kanyan daw yan.
Wait, Loki? Loki, do you think that's the fan dancing yellow for the show? Oh my god. Yes, wait, serious, he has all of the time. Yeah, and they'll want to focus on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, not here too.
Sana mag-stay siya ano? Joy? Mag-stay, mag-wait sana siya.
Trustees, Linda Fong and Darlene
Mga BSK,
Milliken.
all the faculties member, mga teacher
Chair
nila.
of the San Francisco State University Foundation, Mary Huss. President of Associated Students, Brandon Foley. Honored guests, Juana Alicia and Wendy Takuda. Campus leaders, academic deans, and graduates representing the colleges of SFSU.
Oh yeah.
Honored guests, would you please rise for the singing of the national anthem? My soloist,
Wait, Loki, I'm gonna get up anyways,
Mo
but ask her to
who is earning a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science.
You see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we walked, were so gallantly streamed, and the rocket's red glare, the first singing gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free? And the home of the
Mahoney.
I offer a warm welcome to our graduates, their families and friends, honored guests, and all members of the campus. It is my greatest pleasure to be the first to say, congratulations, class of 2026. You are reflecting in your heart. Many of you had your high school experience interrupted by a global pandemic and learned to navigate a virtual world and became part of the generation that helped us move beyond the challenges of the pandemic and reconnect in innovative ways. You are exemplary of resilience and success. Today marks the day many of you have waited for, a chance to celebrate your academic accomplishments surrounded by your peers, your loved ones, and members of the Gator family. You have studied long enough, worked on campus and off, taken care of family and friends, completed internships and senior projects, and you've contributed to your communities along the way. You did it. It is an honor to celebrate you all today. I welcome the special guests joining us on the platform today. Members of the CSU Board of Trustees, Faculty Trustee Dr. Darlene E. Mellicart, Chair Emerita Linda Fong, members of the San Francisco State University Foundation Board with Mary Heiss, and a special welcome to our accomplished honorees today, Delroy Lindo, Lana Alicia, and Debbie Gupta. Today we graduate 7,200 who have also served in the armed services. Will all of our veterans here today please stand and be recognized. So we celebrate you. Please join me in thanking the families and loved ones of our graduates. This is a triumph for all of us. Graduates, our faculty have guided and mentored you. Our staff and administrators have provided critically needed services and the infrastructure necessary for your success. Please join me in a round of applause to thank our outstanding faculty, staff, and administrators for all they have done to support you on your educational journey. And finally, please join me one last time to thank all the members of the San Francisco State family who are working today to make this a special day for our graduates. Thank you, guys. One of the joys.
Anyways, because you never know what great places it might lead you to. Gators,
She's
it is
a
our
president,
time.
student.
And what a time it
Student
has
president.
been. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Congratulations
San
once
Francisco
again
State
to the
University.
graduating class of 2026.
He's a Filipino. He's a Filipino. Yeah, he's a Filipino.
Earlier today, they said, is everybody treating you well? And I have to say that every time I come into a San Francisco State University event, I am treated extraordinarily well. And today is no exception. Thank you so much. Thank you. This afternoon has been one inspiring event after another, and I have to tell you that it started when we got here and I was up in the suite and I was watching all of the graduates, the resplendent graduates, walking into this ground. And my heart was filled with the deepest of admiration for each and every one of you, because I understand that it is not an easy walk, and you guys have gotten here. And I'm phenomenally proud and grateful to be here. This is a graduation, I'm stating the obvious, but it is indeed a celebration, not only of the graduates, you also. This is also your day. God bless you. During my time time here at State, yes, I was pursuing a degree in higher education. In so doing, I was creating for myself a higher position in my life and in the world in general. And that is what each and every one of you graduates of 2026 have done. You're taking really critical next steps in what will be the upward trajectories of your lives going forward. It is so special for me to stand here with you on this particular day. Thank you for having me. I want you to think about this. Think about this, graduates, and families of graduates. You will always be able to look back at this particular phase of your lives, knowing that you faced whatever the dynamics.
Celebrating you. Congratulations, class of 2026. It is now time to receive this diploma you have worked so hard for. Ambassadors are making their way down the aisles to direct you onto the field. While you wait, please remain seated until
Like, there are people who have like children, but they also just drag their wheelchair into my place. I mean, quality, I guess. Oh no.
Ayun na, tumayo na sila.
Because I can look at my
Lumagabang na sa screen ko eh. Pero mamaya pa siya. Hindi siya minto rito. Umaway, no? Minto siya. Ibig sabihin dito. Naglalakad siya, oo. Saka sa kumaway. Yan mga ka-BSK. Wala. Tapos na. Yan, nabigay na certificate at yan. Medyo hinihintay na lang namin siya at medyo ano na kami. Palabas na rin. Yan mga ka-BSK. Ang tagal, ang dami nila. Yan, nandito kami lahat. Dito, inaantay lang namin. Yung anak ko San Francisco. Ayan. Sila. So, yan, hintayin lang namin si Lindsay. Kung saan pa. Ha?
Video mo siya may padali.
Asan ba siya? Here's my daughter's coming. Here's my daughter coming. Here's my daughter coming. Ayan na siya. Si Magna cum laude. Magna cum laude. Oh my God. You want to do it like this one? Yan mga BSA, bababa na kami ng dito. Ito yung cup ng anak ko. Yung unang graduate niya ng kinder. Yung unang pa niya ng kinder. Na paano yun? Ito, palabas na kami ng Oracle Park. Ayan. At nagkakasayahan dito sa mga graduates. Yun yung cup nung anak ko. Yung graduate niya ng unang-una, nilagay niya. Yan, nung bata siya, nilagay niya doon sa cup niya yung picture niya nung unang graduate niya. So, ayan. Ayan, mga ka-BSK, nakalabas na kami sa Oracle Park. Yan. Dito na kami at ready to go to the parking now. Tapos punta kami sa restaurant makakain. Ito na ang kaganapan. Dami na. Labas na kami. Ayan mga ka-BSK, nakakuha na namin yung car namin sa Bali. So, batsi na kami. Ito na. Sarado mo yan. Ayan, batsi na kami.
A few moments later.
Eh mga ka-BSK, kain po tayo at end up na po ako dito. Ang lakas po ng music. Kita-kits po sa sunod na upload. Maraming salamat po dyan. Bye-bye.